Hello everyone, I am H. Kuvish and in this video I will show you how I made the Tornado V2M to the Tornado V2 maglev with the help of just the RSM 2021 and a few tools. So basically what I have done is I will just switch the system of Tornado V2M, that is a dual adjustment system, with the RSM 2021 maglev system. So you can take any of the maglev cube available in the market, or even you can set up a maglev system with just one screwdriver and two magnets of a circular shape, and that's all. So basically for it, what you will need is two cubes, that is firstly RSM 2021 maglev. For in this video I have taken RSM 2021 maglev. You can take any maglev cube or any maglev system. Secondly, Tornado V2M. Thirdly, a pair of pliers, not a rusted one necessarily. And lastly, a screwdriver for setting up the systems. So let's straightforward start the process. So as you will see that I have already taken out the dual adjustment system of the Tornado V2, and these are of the 5 sides except yellow, that is white, blue, green, red and orange, and only the side which is left for the maglev system is yellow. So that I just wanted to try out how the maglev system actually works on the Tornado, and it works actually very fine and very smooth and fast. Make you I will show you how it actually works and feels. So as you may have noticed, as you may have already known, that as I told that I have already switched 5 sides maglev system to the Tornado. That means this cube is no more a cube, it was just stable. So as you can see, the code contains only the yellow side, because only it is the part which has a maglev system left, and that too I will switch now. All the other sides are just empty. Like if you will see green, this is just an empty piece. So I will just keep them all aside, because these are something we don't require now. We just require this maglev system and the Tornado V2. So what I have to do, we have to just take out the centerpiece of the side. You can do it for all the 6 sides, because it will be helpful for you, and not just don't do for a couple of sides. And just put the plier inside the screw and rotate the cube or the pliers in the opposite direction. Like you have to hold the pliers very properly, like it should be very tight, or else it won't come. So this is a bit tricky part. Let's see. Yeah, so now as you can see that the dual adjustment system of the Tornado V2 has came out. So the pliers work is over. What you can even do is that you can keep this screw part, so that you can insert the maglev directly into it. But I won't be doing that, because I guess that this is a bit complicated thing to again put on and again take out if I want to switch, or if you want to switch. So I will just use this part only, this screw head of the RSM 2021. So for this you will need a screwdriver. Like you can see, the maglev system is just attracting it towards the magnets, the screwdriver towards it. So just unscrew the maglev part, and yeah, so the core is now empty. We can keep it aside, and you can see that the complete maglev part is now yours. So one thing I have to say, that if you want, you can just remove this blue part, that is the adjustment system, because this is not required for the Tornado, because it is of no use. But I keep it because it keeps the maglev system, the second magnet, which is this one, the below one, it keeps it in form, right? That is, it keeps it in place. Because both the cubes are of different sizes. As Tornado is a smaller cube, I guess 55 millimeters, and RSM is 56 millimeter. So that is a bit of difference, and the system also, and both the systems are a bit different. So I will make it a bit tighten, because I have noticed that the screw has to be tighten properly, or else it will be very loose and the pieces have a tendency to come out very easily if you have not set it up it properly. So let me check. I guess it is too tight. Let me loosen it a bit. Now I guess it works fine. And this is a special logo that I applied on my cube's center pieces of yellow. The why I applied on my yellow is because, see, most of the people including me are not color neutral. They only solve the cube using the white side. So because of that, I have applied it on the yellow side, so that when we solve the cube, the white is at the bottom and the yellow is at the top, so the logo is visible properly. So this is a bit of my idea, and you can apply it, or if you want you can do anything. And you can also lube it. This cube is not lubed for a long time because I wanted to show the exact performance without lubricants, because many people are there who don't use cube lubricants. So I will just start the turning. So if you will see that, if you will notice, not actually see, the layers are very smooth. I have to just set up the tension a bit. Yeah, but the corner cutting, just leaving the yellow side, these or sides are okay. You can see the 45-degree and above corner cutting, like there is no foundation of corner cutting in this cube. See, 45, above 45. The cube is very flimsy now, like very flimsy, and you can see it is like the pieces can also come out easily. And just set it up as per your use. Like I like looser tensions because it suits my turning style, and the magnets of the Tornado V2 are set it up to the maximum strength. I guess you won't be able to see this in this video in this camera, but it is set up to the maximum strength, and that is my choice of setting up the Tornado. But yeah, you can do it as per your choice, as per your wish, so that it suits your turning style. What I will suggest is that if you have both the cubes available, like Tornado V2 and any other maglev cube, or you can set up the maglev system by yourself by just getting the magnets and screws, surely you should try, at least if not maining it, just try it by yourself to set up the Tornado V2 to a Tornado V2 maglev cube, because it will surely help you to notice that the cube gets very fast, very smooth, and very quick, and very like free to move. Like there are very less foundations of the cube to not to move. So I guess this is a great update to the Tornado V2 M, to the Tornado V2 maglev. So basically, if the company that is the Qi initiates is Tornado V2 to a maglev cube, it will be a great choice, I guess it. And I guess they will also set up the adjustment system as well, because I tried to set it up in this part, which is the adjustment system, which has the spring in it, but this is a very locked, very properly locked container, so it does not open that way, and I don't want to break it, because in future I don't know whether I have to switch it or not, but then also I don't want to break it. That's why I didn't force it to open. So this is how I can set it up. Just one thing, that if you want the complete feel of Tornado, then it won't be happening, because the dual adjustment systems gets removed, because the numbers are just in this part, so it is not any it is no more in the cube. But you can also adjust the tension settings, which is a good thing, and no spring noises now. So basically that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you liked it, and yeah, I guess you will like the update to the cube. So yeah, till then, bye.